Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about how to build a dynamic filter in Microsoft Excel. As you can see on screen is if I type for instance any item, it automatically gets filtered as per the fit query that is entered in this text box. For example, if I enter ICICI, all the symbols with respect to ICICI are filtered here. Similarly, if I type Reliance, all the symbols which start with RELI or contains RELI are displayed here. Similarly, if I type TATA, all the symbols with TATA are dynamically filtered and displayed on our screen. Now this is very easy to create in Excel. We will learn how to create this filtered list, dynamic filter list without using any code or without using any VBA. It is just using Excel formulas. So let us quickly start our video. And for that, what I'll do is I'll quickly create a new sheet here and I will just go ahead and disable the grid lines so that our sheet is neat and clean. Now what I've also done is the raw data is present in this Excel sheet, and this is just a normal copy paste of the nifty data that I've found on the internet. What I'll do is I'll copy the headers here and paste it on our new sheet. The next thing that I need to do is I need to go to the developer tab and click on insert and insert a text box over here. Okay, you can insert the text box anywhere you want, and then I'll click on this text box, click on properties over here, and I'll go to the linked cell property. In this linked cell property, what I'll do is I'll enter the name of any cell where I want the text box to be linked to. For example, I will link it to C2. Okay, now let's say I disable the design mode here and I type anything over here. Let's say test. Anything that I type here would be typed in text C2. Okay, now this is our trick for our dynamic filter, that whatever we input here will be there in this text, and we'll use this text to filter from this raw data source into this table. Now let us enable the design mode once more and drag this over C2 so that this C2 cell is not displayed. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to type in the formula. I will use a simple filter formula here. Okay, the filter formula takes in three parameters. The first parameter is an array on which it has to perform the filter function. So this is our entire table or array as we call it, where we do the filter function. Okay, the next parameter is the include parameter. Now there is no option in Excel to say that if a particular text includes this, if a particular text starts with, etc. So what we will do is we will use a simple search function to search for our text C2 if it is present in this column A. Now the search function returns a number in case our search is successful, but it returns an error in case the text is not found. And this include parameter has to be a Boolean parameter, and to convert the search result into Boolean, we will use another function called isNumber. Okay, now isNumber will check whether the search $2 is, if it's a number, and I need to search it here. What I'll do is I'll drag it all the way to the up. I'll select this, then okay. Then I'll hit comma. enter, then again I'll hit enter, then here is blank, I don't want to do anything. Now our entire filter is ready. Now we'll disable the design mode here. We'll go to the developer tab, disable the design mode here. Okay, now we can use this as is. What I'll do is I'll start typing in, let's say I'm typing in TATA. You see here that my symbols are all getting started with TATA. Rather, we have not done starts with, we have done uh, contains kind of a search. So let's say I type POW. You see each of these symbols contain the word or the string POW over here. Okay. So this is how you can go ahead and build a dynamic search in Excel. Do like and share this video. Thank you for all the love that you have shown. Also, please let me know in comments in case you have any questions. Thank you.